Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Tron network to MetaMask and whether or not it is possible thing to do, so make sure you watch the video carefully until the end. First of all, you need to open your MetaMask mobile application and then you just have to log into your account. Now once you successfully logged in, you need to first select this drop arrow button in the top. And after that, you need to tap on Add Network or Add Custom Network. Once you done that, you will be landed on this page, where unfortunately you will not be able to see the Tron network that you can add in your MetaMask account. However, you can import the Tron token over here and you can have drawn tokens in your MetaMask account. For that, you need to make sure that you have selected BNB Smart Chain in the top. If you haven't selected it, then you will have to tap on this drop arrow button in the top. And after that, you will have to tap on BNB Smart Chain. Once done, you will have to tap on import tokens over here. Then in the search bar, you will have to search for Tron. After typing Tron in the search bar, it will give you some relevant results. But as you can see over here, it is not showing TRX over here. In order to fix it, you will have to tap on the custom token option in the top. And now it will ask you to provide the token address. So in order to get this token address, you will have to open your web browser, and in the search bar you will have to search for coin market cap TRX. Afterwards, you will be landed on the official page of TRX, where you just have to scroll down and here you are going to see its address. So you need to tap on this copy button in order to copy this address from here, and after that you just have to come to this page again and then you need to paste that address over here. Once done, it will ask you to provide the token symbol, which in our case is TRX. So you will have to type TRX over here. After filling the details, you will have to tap on the import button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And this is how you can add Tron TRX network to MetaMask. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.